Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a Zoom app virtual background option not showing. You can change your background in the different way in a Zoom app. So if you use Zoom app as your regular app for meeting, for online meeting, you can set your virtual background previously when you are tap more and set your virtual background in here in meeting settings. So in new versions, you cannot use virtual background. You cannot set virtual background on meeting setting anymore. So in order to use it, you can tap apps. Here, there is a virtual background. Discover the perfect virtual background by tap. And this is virtual background powered by Paxos. There are four categories: nature, interiors, art, and travel. Here you can set your background, and also you can set your background with the blur option here. Just tap it, so in your blur mode. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.